Christine Corrado here in the Proactive Investors New York studio. Joining me on Skype today is Dinesh Venugopal from Mphasis Limited. Dinesh, great to speak with you.
Thanks for having me.
So we previously learned about Mphasis from its CEO, Nitin. At the end of September, he had spoken to my colleague, Andrew Scott. So now we're talking about Mphasis' news that it's acquired a Virginia-based cloud automation company. What are the details here?
Sure. So first of all, before we talk about Stelligen, the company that we acquired, I want to talk a little bit about what we see in the cloud market. The cloud adoption has significantly been much faster than most of us have expected. Enterprises are adopting cloud at a very fast rate. What that means is that if you want to adopt cloud and start deploying newer kinds of applications of cloud, you need to have something known as DevOps, which is nothing but a methodology for deploying applications of cloud in a safe, agile, fast, quick manner. So Stelligent specializes in DevOps automation, which means that more and more enterprises, as they move to the cloud, Stelligent helps them deploy these applications in the cloud with greater speed, agility, and security. So Stelligent has got a number of engineers who are certified in AWS, which is Amazon Web Services. They're completely focused on AWS. They've got a couple of community heroes in AWS as well, which is why we are very excited, because from an Mphasis perspective, we're now able to offer world-class services to our large enterprise customers.
And this is for, of course, a $25 million deal. This must be a huge deal for you.
Absolutely. And I think more than the size of the deal, what we are excited about is the opportunity in front of us. Like I said, for example, typical enterprises, they deploy software once a year, twice a year. But if you're moving to the cloud, that deployment is several times a day. So think about how we can help customers, our large customers, move to the cloud faster. And that's why we are very excited. I think the opportunity in front of us is huge from that perspective.
And is this Mphasis' first move into investing in DevOps?
Right. So we've been doing it organically. We have a large practice of folks within Mphasis who've been working on DevOps, who've been working with our customers in DevOps. But what this really does is accelerates our journey there. So, for example, in Stelligen, there are about 100 people with certifications, 100 odd certifications, which means that we are now able to provide our customers with a larger, broader range of services in the DevOps area.
And besides this company, Stelligen, do you see Mphasis moving towards acquiring any more companies in the near future?
Absolutely. As we look at the cloud opportunity, we find that there is a significant amount of work that not only us, but we can do jointly with our customers. In that process, we are always looking for acquisitions in that space. In fact, we're looking at not just Amazon, but also looking at Azure and Google Cloud as areas that we can improve our capabilities on and start serving our customers in those areas. So absolutely, this is an area of tremendous interest for us.
Very exciting to hear, and hopefully we will continue to hear about those investments in this space. Previously, Mphasis' CEO had mentioned to us on our platform that the company would never say never to taking it public. Here in the US, the company is obviously listed in India. Any update on that at all?
I think Nitin said this well the last time we spoke. No update on that yet. We'll keep you posted if there's any more updates.
Very good to hear. Looking forward to that. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you, Steve.